sila.
pwede. Kasi ano pa,
Sabi doon, tulungan ka ba ni Manong na bigyan ng advice sa finance? Sabi ko, parang sila ni Rambo lang. Parang sila ni Rambo.
Picture po muna tatlo.
nakakatawa. Nakakatawa sila. Magnunaw sila. Okay. Tawa ko ng tawa. Aba, nang marunong ako magtipid ngayon.
Sinabi ko rin yan.
Here po.
Saka si Miss.
Ganda ng height.
Smallest one. Ay, actually, doon. I wait down. Diba, bago pa nag-endorse, may packaging na siya. Sabi ko para mo, ano yung sa compare. Pwede na natin nalalakay ng picture. Another picture. Bago yung sa kanya. Napaka-freelance rock.
So ano naging
Asan yung, ito na ako. Hormones talaga. Hindi ko kaya. Like, my prayers talaga is, ang sakit kasi nun. Sorry. Hormones.
Hindi ko binabasa.
Ayoko talaga.
Hindi ko tinignan.
Never kung, narinig ko palang binasa, wala ni skip ko. So, yung prayer ko is, parang wag kunin agad yung anak ko. Like, di ba syempre pinapahiram
Sorry
naman
naman,
tayo,
yung
di ba?
mga
Di pinapahiram naman tayo, di ba? But, asan yung mom? Hirap nun. So,
pero naintindihan mo rin as a mom?
yes. Lalo na ngayon na parang Maria is turning 1. Parang part ng prayer ko talaga is sana. Like 100 years. We have many years together. Mas tagal kong inantay, diba? So,
Pero dahil nga naramdaman mo rin
hormones! Sorry
naramdaman
po.
mo rin yung hormones na yun, yung postpartum na yan. And then ngayon,
Hindi ko kaya manood ng like about babies. And lalo meron pa yung isa yung nagpanggap na doctor.
Oo,
And then
isang iba naman
panganay
yun,
niya
ano?
Oh my gosh talaga.
So, pero ngayon na kumbaga,
Pangit na.
but you would say na at least masaya ka na ika-part mo, na pagdaanan mo na to, na pagtagumpayan mo.
Hindi, alam, parang
May empathy na, no?
love ko kung sino yung bagong maaha. Kasi kung dati iniintindi ko yung mga nangyari, ito yung bilang isang ina, iba. Yung love mo is kaya mo talaga magmahal unconditionally. Yung gano'n. Yung gano'n. So,
Iba talaga pag nanay na.
oo.
O yun, so maiba naman tayo. Anyway, maiba naman tayo sa ganitong mga negosyo, ganyan. Parang yung mga nagiging CEO, yung mayaman ng bongga. So, ready ka na ba doon?
Sabi nga nung asawa ko, hindi naman sa yung kung yayaman or what, dun kami sa at least marami kami matutulungan, yung mga magtatrabaho dito, diba? Parang mas dun kami, may purpose kami. So, bonus na lang siguro po yun kung tangkilikin yung product namin. And I hope nga tangkilikin, di ba? Para mas makatulong pa tayo. Because yun ako lagi kong gustong gumawa ng something na makakatulong. Dahil we are so blessed. Anong pwede natin gawin to help others?
So ngayon, Mads, ilan na yung mga kumbaga under nyo na mga tao, mga gano'n? Marami na rin ba?
Madami naman na po.
Okay. So, syempre BFF mo si Kakay, di ba? So,
Nasa Europe.
nag-release
Kaya
siya
wala
ng parang reels, hindi mo reels, video na parang wino-warningan niya yung friend na yung as CEO ka na, ganyan na hindi pa napanood.
Saan yan?
So parang wag
Siguro
kang
hinide niya sa akin. Charay! May issue pala kami.
sabi niya, kumbaga wag kang pero wag kang mambubudol or magki-claim na itong mga product
Alam mo,
mo.
hanapin
Baka ibang
kasi
tao.
natin ng love life
Definitely,
yun.
hindi ikaw yan. Dahil BFF ka niya. Definitely, hindi due to dorm yun.
Tawagan mo na lang siya, huwag na sa akin.
Actually, meron na mga...
Kakatapos ko lang,
May mga
kaka-launch lang,
May
oh.
mga nanghuhula na nga kung sino yung pinariringgit ganyan.
Maghula na po kayo, wag na po
At this point, let's join Mama and Mommy Ray as they will unveil the product line that's lovingly developed by her to bring out a radiant and natural glow in all of us. Without further ado, Her Majesty Maha, please do the honors to officially unveil Magiskin. Ready? 3, 2, 1. We have a Magiskin body lotion, body wash, and a body scrub. Let's give it up for Maha Salvador and the Magiskin. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the newest body care line and will surely bring out that natural glow in every one of us. Magiskin. Available in 2 variants, Magiskin offers a total body care line of body wash, body scrub, and body lotion. From calming chamomile to nourishing milk scents, Magiskin is a celebration of natural beauty and everyday elegance. Born from Maha's passion for scents, rituals, and skin wellness, each product is thoughtfully crafted to nourish, brighten, and protect. Sorry, it is powered by nature-loving ingredients like niacinamide, collagen, hyaluronic acid, and arbutin, and Arabic coffee extract. It is formulated to benefit all ages with different skin types and skin tones. What an exciting part to be here, and indeed, I am so thrilled to share the stage with the one and only the Majesty herself. Maha, how are you feeling today?
The President, Maynara, Sir Rambo, and our glam team, Anastas, thank you so much. To all our celebrity ambassadors and our celebrity friends who joined us this morning, to my Beauty team and Select Lifestyle Media for participating in this special announcement. Beauty Corporation has previously unveiled numerous products and celebrity endorsers, but this time, this is different as we enter on what we call a partnership that goes beyond the surface. A new love of mine and my Nana, an A-lister Maha Salvador Nunez, a complete body care that genuinely cares for every skin type, color, and texture. Magiskin is ready to set the standard for your newest skin ritual. This is described as minimal, majestic, and made for skin. Maha and I has always desired to work together. When queens come together, they create something majestic.
Siyempre, na dead air.
And if you ask me, Maha exemplifies everything a queen should be. Authentic, determined, passionate, and creative. And as beauty entrepreneurs, we should not only serve the face arts, but also provide a glow that goes beyond the surface. I hope you will support our new brand in the same way that you have supported Beauty for almost 16 years. It's great to see faces today at our intimate press conference, and I'd like to conclude with a message that finding glow beyond the surface is similar to finding a female friendship in which, despite differences, there's a common purpose of uplifting each other. Maraming salamat po.
Pero, I feel so loved. Maraming salamat to my friends, to my family, at sa lahat po na nandito today. Thank you so much for being here. Oh my gosh, teacher! Thank you. Thank you. Itong Magic Skin is, isa lang siyang pangalan. But it became real because of my husband, because of our friend Abby, and of course sa help ni Manang Rhea. Kaya meron na tayong Magic Skin ngayon dahil sa mga taong nagtitiwala sa akin palagi at paulit-ulit. Great question. Hindi ko alam. Pero pag talaga sigurong yung gusto mo, ito yung passion mo, passion project talaga to. Ang dami kong ideas, but hindi ko nagagawa. Hindi, parang natatakot ako, mali yung decision ko. But with the help na of my husband, sila para tulungan talaga ako at in-encourage talaga nila ako na yung mga ideas ko, gawin na namin. At eto na nga siya.
That's so lovely. Because when you're with the right environment, you will be able to achieve anything in the world.
Yes.
And now we'll open the floor for a few questions from our media friends.